Okay. Now you see, this topic I mentioned QA is actually very easy. Easy when the flowchart is given to me. I don't know about you. I see flowchart very happy. Because flowchart tells me I don't have to what? I don't have to like read the question and find what is the keyword. The keyword is always stated there. They won't write too much one. So I can move very fast. Take a look. Whatever is important is all there. Whatever is important is all there. Now, so the ability to draw the flowchart is very important. Okay. Okay, let's do this together. Let's understand the question. We're going to draw flowchart together. A colorless P produce a white precipitate. I'm looking at all the keywords when bubbled into aqueous calcium hydroxide solution. We can actually solve it already. As you move, you can solve if you're good with this topic. Who is this colorless gas? CO2. All Sec 3, Sec 2 students, or Sec 4 students all can answer. All right, this is CO2. You can part solve it already. Thank you. All right. And this same gas P dissolve in water to form a colorless solution Q, which registers a pH of range 5 to 6. Can you tell me about this solution Q based on a pH? Tell me something about it. You don't know identity, doesn't matter. Tell me something about it. It is a weak acid. Very good. We're putting all the skills together as I mentioned. And I believe those I've taught you ABS, I've taught you this before already. Carbon dioxide is an acidic oxide. It dissolves in water to form which acid? Yes. Where do you see carbonic acid? You see in the rainwater in Singapore. Carbonic acid is in the bloodstream. Carbonic acid is in the canned drink that you open and got that. Psst. Because the carbon dioxide doesn't dissolve very well in the water. All right, a Coca-Cola got lots of carbonic acid. Okay, okay, so somewhere around there. We can't solve for the part. Okay, then we carry on. Later then I draw flowchart. Then we put all this in again. Solution Q was added to a colorless barium solution. Right? We all know we are all focusing on barium. The solution is never mind, we just finished here, right? You get a white precipitate, as we mentioned in our case, barium carbonate, barium sulfate. And you got a solution T. Solution T. Okay, solution T. Upon filtering, so they do filtration. Right, and then you got residue and you got filtrate. The filtrate, which is a colorless T, right, was then added into a test tube containing aqueous sodium hydroxide and Divada's alloy, which is an alloy. What is Divada? I don't know, but I know it has aluminum metal inside there. Do you know what's happening? Add sodium hydroxide, add aluminum, and then they tell you there's a gas that come out. Do you know the gas? The gas evolved is ammonia because that's the only gas that turns moist red litmus paper blue. Makes sense? Very easy. And all this confirm that my filtrate T contains what? So whichever is easy to solve, I solve it out first without looking at flowchart. Doesn't look bad. T contains what? Don't be greedy. Part solve. Remember? Got what ions? If you cannot know the floating, it has. Take a look at the cation another test. When do you get ammonia gas? When along the way you put aluminum metal, you add sodium hydroxide. Where we saw it? Test for which anion? Nitrate. Thank you. Thank you, Sean. This NO3. So we almost solved it. Okay. The only thing I haven't solved is the S and the Q and the R. S and R, sorry. Okay. So we're going to draw a flowchart out, then we solve it. All right. Because again, I don't like to look at this. All right. Here we go. Drawing the flowchart. Very easy. Okay. Don't need to copy it out. Okay. Here we go. I'm going to draw boxes. All right. You don't draw circle. Nothing wrong. I'm going to draw circle. Okay. So here we go. How big a space I need? Okay. So I think draw too big. Right? Okay, I'll use this space. All right, colorless gas. P. And yeah, it's all about flowchart, right? So here we go. You put into lime water calcium hydroxide solution, CaOH2 aqueous. and they say you get a white PPT. But later then we solve it, we draw it out first, all right? And then we dissolve in water, so you plus H2O, or you can write the English word dissolve in water, nothing wrong. The colorless solution Q with pH 5 to 6. And this solution Q, you further do something to it, you add a barium solution. It's called R, apparently. So basically, I'm just translating what I see in the paragraphs. What did I do after that? I precipitate, I filter them. Okay, consider done. So I'll show you a filter question for that purpose. And here we are. We filter. Okay, and filter, I got two things. One here and one here. That's it. All right, so this is a white PPTT. White PPTS, sorry. And then I have a filtrate. Okay, all right. Everything based on the question. Did I do anything funny or whatnot? Nah. All right. And we close the question with the last reaction arrow. All right. And we did it. All right. What do we add? They say we add sodium hydroxide. And we add Divada's alloy. Most important, inside there has aluminum metal. Okay. All right. A flowchart based on the question. Now,
If you would like to catch my latest videos, click on subscribe button right now. And click on the bell if you want to receive instant notifications once I've uploaded my latest video. If you would like to join my live chemistry classes and revision workshops, go on to winnerseducation.com and find out how you can score distinction for chemistry on a consistent basis, either in our center or online via Zoom. If you want to check out my online school, go on to passwithdistinction.teachable.com. You'll be able to learn chemistry concepts at your own pace and anywhere in the world, topic by topic. This is Sean Chua from Winners Education, to your distinction in chemistry.